Students, welcome to the class. This is your English teacher Ragini Tiwari. And students, today we will start the next category of classified advertisement, situation wanted. In our previous video, we have already understood situation vacant. Now, today we will understand situation wanted. Situation wanted, it is given by a job seeker himself. Okay? It is given by a job seeker. This advertisement is given by a job seeker himself for publication, in which he shows his willingness to give his service to someone or somewhere. Okay, so this advertisement is only depend on the job seeker, the person who is in who required a job. Okay, that person can give this advertisement to publish. What points we need to remember while writing situation wanted? The first point is post to which a candidate is required. That what post a candidate is required, where and what post the candidate is required. Qualification, experience, age, date of birth and sex. These informations are very important. What is the qualification of the candidate? His or her experience, age, date of birth, and the person is male or female. That is very essential. These necessary information must be mentioned in this advertisement. Another one is salary offered and scope for promotion. In this advertisement, candidate can ask for the salary, what kind of salary he or she is expecting, or is there any scope for promotion in that organization or company or not. Mailing address and contact, that is very essential thing. Don't forget to write mailing address and contact number. Mode of applying is also very important, and if any other relevant and important information, you can mention that also. We will understand this advertisement with this example. Here is a question. A full-time computer engineer seek a job. A full-time computer engineer, a person who is a full-time computer engineer seeks a job. Write out a suitable advertisement for entry in the situation wanted column of a local newspaper. The word limit, student, as already I have told you, that is 50 word. Here I did not mention draw a box, but don't forget to put this advertisement into a box. Situation wanted, heading is very important. Heading must be there. Okay, situation wanted heading you can write in block letters too. A well qualified, experienced and expert postgraduate computer engineer, after teaching in Nigeria, had returned India and seek full-time job. Okay, in these lines, the person who seeks for a job have mentioned many information, like the person is well qualified, experienced, qualification is postgraduate with computer engineering, and he taught in Nigeria and he returned in India. Seeks a full-time job. He is well versed in software, hardware and data-based programs. Okay, he is well versed in software, hardware too and data-based program. Interested person may seek his guidance and services. The person or the company who are interested in such kind of person can take his service or guidance. Payments and other benefits are negotiable. Okay, it should be perfect, it should be good, then there is need not to talk about that. So it should be negotiable. Please contact Piyush Gupta, Adarsh Nagar, Delhi, or ring in the at this number. Okay, here the contact address has been also mentioned, person name has been mentioned, contact number has been mentioned, qualification, okay, and all the qualities have been mentioned here. Okay students, this is it for today's video. We will come to know next category in our next video. Take care.